Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through using Higgsfield AI, the ultimate multimodal studio that lets you create blockbuster-quality AI videos from a single dashboard. Once you log in to the web platform or open the mobile application, your first step is selecting your preferred workspace workflow, choosing either text to video for an original concept or image to video to animate a pre-existing photo. For beginners, clicking Image to Video is highly recommended because uploading a sharp, front-facing reference photo provides a strong visual anchor that keeps your main characters flawlessly consistent across every frame. Next, head over to the prompt box and act like a movie director by describing your target subject, specific physical actions, exact environmental settings, and desired camera movements in clear, literal sentences without vague adjectives. Now, tap into the Advanced Settings menu to select from top-tier generation engines like Cdance, Kling, or Veo, and if you want total cinematic control, use the Cinema Studio features to choose your virtual camera body and physical lens focal length. Set your starting generation to 720p resolution to conserve your workspace credits while testing. Review the mid-clip motion dynamics for natural movement and hit Generate to watch your vision come to life in seconds. Subscribe the channel for more videos.